Hi, I'm Brett Schineman, a product manager at Desk.com, and I'm going to show you how to set up Desk Connect. Desk Connect is our bidirectional sync between Desk and Salesforce. Here's what you'll need to set up Desk Connect: a Desk.com Pro or Business plan, admin access to Desk, admin access to Salesforce, and a Professional Edition license of Salesforce or above. All right, now let's prepare your Salesforce organization. First, we're going to customize your priority and status values in Salesforce to match your Desk values. First things first, we have to log in, go to Setup, type Cases in the search box and select Fields from the list that comes up. In Case Fields, click on Priority. Make sure those values are high, medium, and low so they properly map to Desk. Now click Back to Case Fields and click Status. Go to Case Status Picklist Values and click New. Add Open, Pending, Resolved, all with capital letters on a new line, and click on Save. Great, that's all we need to do in Salesforce. Now, let's head on over to Desk. Go to the Desk.com admin. Click on Settings in the top right-hand side of the screen, and then click on Integrations, and then Salesforce Integration. Now log into your Salesforce org if you're not already. Click on Allow Access for Desk to your Salesforce org. After authorizing Salesforce, your Salesforce account information is visible in Desk. The last thing we need to do is enable Desk Connect. Go to Admin, Settings, Desk Connect on the bottom left-hand side, and all you need to do is turn it on. So now, all new Cases, contacts, or accounts, or any case, contact, or account that you edit is going to be synchronized between either system. You also have the option to set conditions to make sure that not all of those records are synchronized back and forth. Now we're going to see Desk Connect in action. We're going to create some data in Desk, watch it flow over to Salesforce, and see how everything is synchronized. So here we are in the Next Generation Agent Desktop, the same Next Gen Agent Desktop that everyone knows and loves. And we're simply just going to create a case up on the top left-hand side there. So I'll click the plus, type in the name of a customer, and click Create Case. And now something to note, this customer does not exist inside of Salesforce yet. Neither does the case or the account associated with that customer. So I'm going to go on the right side here, enter in a memorable subject, like memorable subject, enter in a memorable description, and then click Update. Now let's head on over to Salesforce. Here we are in Salesforce. I'm showing you a list of cases that exist in Salesforce. And I'm just going to simply refresh this list. Bam! This was immediately created in Salesforce as soon as I created it from Desk. And now it's not only the case that we created. So when we drill into this case, I can see the contact and the account associated with this case. And it's the same contact that lived in Desk as well as the same account that lived in Desk. So we keep that referential integrity between those three objects, the core CRM objects, intact. It's not only the case that we're synchronizing. Let's head back on over to Desk, and I'll change a different field on a contact. So here we are in Desk. We pull up the customer record. So we change it from Chef to Incredible Chef. Now let's head on over to Salesforce to see this change in action. So here we are in Salesforce. We're looking at the same contact that we've synced over from Desk. And when I refresh the screen here, I want you to take note of the title. Wow, it's that fast and easy. And there you have it. You've set up Desk Connect in a matter of minutes, and now you have data flowing between both systems. Stay tuned for future videos on all the great and amazing things you can do with Desk Connect. And make sure to check out the documentation on support.desk.com.